Shalom, shalom, shalom. Giving all praise, honor, and glory to the Most High God of Israel, power of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Who are we? We are the 12 tribes of the nation of Israel, lost but now found. Thus saith the Lord, thus saith the Holy Bible, and we're here to awaken our people in these last days to the undisputable fact that we are the 12 tribes of the nation of Israel, the chosen people of the Lord, lost but now found. And our people, the black, Latino, Native American, and Seminole Indian, you have to repent and wake up because we're living in the last days. Thus saith the Lord, thus saith the Holy Bible. All right, give me Matthew 15:24. Who are we out here for? The scattered sheep, the lost flock. All right, like the Lord said in the book of Jeremiah, my people have been lost sheep. You black, Latino, Native American, and Seminole Indians, you're like lost sheep. Right? Looking for your shepherd. Your shepherd is who? The Messiah, whom the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. Read what you got, Matthew 15:24. This is the book of Israel. He wasn't sent for everybody.
Okay, come.
All right, yeah, so you got to understand that, man. All right, so read what you got.
This is the book of Galatians, chapter 4, verse 26.
Go ahead.
Where Jerusalem.
No, I want, I'm about to become your enemy because I tell you the truth. What verse you got?
16.
16?
Yeah.
Somebody look up that one for me. Right? Are we your enemies? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Not 26, but 16. I know what's up with the 6 here. All right, go out of accurate. All right, read that. Galatians 4:16.
This is the book of Galatians, chapter 4, verse 16.
Good.
Am I therefore become your enemy?
So, the Apostle Paul said, am I therefore become your enemy? Good.
Because I tell you the truth.
Because we tell the truth.
Good.
Are we your enemies because we tell you what the gospel say?
God.
Are we your enemies because we preach what Hamashiach say? No, the truth has to come out. Why is the world so upset when the truth comes out? Why? Because you've been taught lies, man. And it's a flood of lies. I can tell you in the book of Revelation. The serpent cast out of his mouth water like a flood. That flood is the lies, man. That's what you put out here. Go ahead. Galatians 4:16 again.
Galatians chapter 4, verse 16.
Go ahead.
Am I therefore become your enemy?
So are we enemies? Go ahead.
Because I tell you the truth.
Because we tell you what the truth of this Bible says. And this Bible says that the Lord is only for the children of Israel. Give me that in Amos 3:1. Get Amos 3:1. The Lord is only for the nation of Israel. But you got to return. If you don't return, you're going to get jacked up and punished with this world. You're going to get the judgment. Now, the Lord ain't playing. You got cops getting shot all up in their face. Right? I think it says something like 40 cops or 48 cops got shot with, I forget the exact number. I was watching Fox News earlier. The Most High ain't playing, man. They shot 2 cops, 2 Hispanic cops in New York. That's what you blacks and Latinos get, man. When you want to get into the white man's law enforcement. Hey, it's just the job. If you're going to do it, you're going to do it. But that's the risk that you take. These streets is mean, man. These streets is mean. And a lot of times people are quicker to kill a black or Hispanic cop than they are white. I believe they both were Dominican up there in New York. Bodied both of them cops, man. The Lord ain't playing, man. The Lord said to be given a famine and great death. It was something like all over the country, like 40-something, some crazy number of cops getting shot. Because that's the time now, and you know what? That's vengeance, man. How much is the time? Because all you police departments all over the country, what you've been doing? You've been murdering our people. You've been destroying our people. You've been beating them up. You've been shooting them in the back and running them over. So now the Lord got it coming back on you. All right? It tells you they're apocryphal. They're not going to regard kings or princes. And of course, every man actually going to stand in his power. So when the Lord when he start putting the spirit out here, nobody give a damn if you got a badge. Nobody give a damn if you part of the government. Nobody give a damn if you CIA, Homeland Security. It's going to be every man for himself. That's right. It's going to be a bloodbath on these streets of America, and that's the judgment that God's going to be bringing. Read what you got, brother.
3 and 1.
3 and 1. Amos 3 and 1. All right. The prophet Amos chapter 3 and verse 1. We're not playing. The Lord is not playing in these last days. Read that, King.
This is the book of Amos chapter 3, verse 1.
Bring it out.
Hear this word that the Lord has spoken against O children of
So
Israel.
the Lord said, hear the word that the Lord spoke against you, children of Israel, because you are a rebellious nation, so God punished you. Right, come on.
Against the whole family which I brought up from the land of Egypt.
And don't forget, the Lord brought us up from the land of Egypt. He always wanted us to remember that in the scripture. Don't forget, I was the one that opened the damn Red Sea for you. And you ungrateful, you don't serve me. I opened up one of the greatest seas on the earth for you to walk through. You don't remember? All right, go ahead.
Saying, you only have I
What did the
known.
Lord say?
You only have I
So the
known.
Lord only knows the nation of Israel, meaning we're the ones that's his only chosen. We're the only chosen nation. He deals with different nations on the earth for his purpose, but the Lord's chosen is the nation of Israel. He's only dealing with us on the level of his chosen. Can the Most High deal with any nation for his purpose? Yes. He's dealing with the white man right now, got him ruling over us.
That's right.
Got this bastard ruling over us because we were rebellious. He took the lowest people of the earth. Right? They tell you in Job they were viler than the earth. Meaning they was the vilest people on the planet. And he put them over the entire planet. And he let them rule. What does that say about you, Black, Latino, Native American, and Seminole Indian? You were given to be the chosen people of the Lord, and you didn't receive it. So the Lord said, I'm going to take the dust, the mud, the dirt, the mire, and put them over you by way of Esau. Right, go ahead.
You only have I known.
So you only have I known. That's clear. You only have I known. Go ahead.
Of all the families of the earth.
Out of all the nations and peoples on the earth, the Most High only knows Israel. Right, come on.
Therefore, I will punish you.
What did the Lord say about our people?
Therefore, I will punish you
Therefore, I'm going to punish you. Come on.
for all your iniquity.
All your iniquity. The Lord said he's going to punish you for all your iniquity. Give me Deuteronomy 28. All right, and 54. What is an example of that? Like I was bringing out in New York City. The black man running through the streets of New York trying to shoot his brother and shooting an 8-year-old girl in the face. An 8-month-old girl in the face. These are the curses we under, man. Let's get it. Deuteronomy 28, 54. Read that.
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 54.
Go ahead.
So that the man that is tender among
The
you
man that is tender among you, go ahead.
and very delicate,
Very delicate. Come on.
his eyes shall be evil towards his brother.
Yeah, see that? You want to kill your brother so bad. Chase them down and shoot them to death. For whatever reason, whatever the beef is about. It could be another solution. But you so reckless and want to kill your brother, you shoot an 8-month-old baby in the face, man. This is what we doing to each other. These are the curses we under as a people. All right, so you got to come out of that. If not, you're going to die.
Towards the wife of his bosom,
And towards the wife of his bosom, go ahead.
and toward the remnant of his children, which he shall
The
leave.
Lord said you will be evil towards the remnant of your children that you shall leave. And we know that curse is amongst our people also, man. But the whole earth is cursed now. The Most High judges everyone and everybody. You see that white woman reporter got murdered, man. Why? Because the Most High is not praying yet. Right? They find a reporter's dead. Because we in a time of judgment, man. Right? The Lord ain't praying. Right? Them death angels are out here. Them death angels are all out here. And the Most High will continue to bring judgment. You got war brewing up. Give me Joel 3:9. You got war brewing up between war tension. We're gonna say war tension. War tension brewing up between America, Russia, Ukraine, China. What they teach that? Why? Because we're in that war game. But those war games are gonna turn to real war. All right, Joel 3:9. You got it.
This is the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 9.
All right, go ahead.
The Gentiles,
Make a proclamation among the Gentiles. Right, go ahead.
prepare
What
war.
the Lord say?
Prepare war.
Prepare war. Go ahead.
Wake up the mighty men.
Wake up the mighty men. Where the mighty men at, man? We don't need the cowards, the weaklings, you Black, Latino, Native American, Seminole, and you too afraid to stand up. You got no problem shooting on here. The Lord don't need the cowards now, man. Right? If you're afraid, the scriptures say stay home. If you're afraid, stay home. You know what I'm saying? Because what? You can't be out here on the front line, man. Right? Give me Joshua 1:7. The Lord needs strong men in these last days.